Attention commercial building owners and building contractors. Hi, this is Anthony Del Medico with SVG, and I'd like to share some important information with you regarding the Section 179 tax deduction for commercial building owners. Commercial building owners can now deduct up to $1.16 million in qualifying capital improvement projects for things like commercial re-roofs, HVAC, windows, even coatings and roof repairs. That's right, these can now be deducted in the first year they were installed or put into service versus depreciating over the old IRS timetable of 39 years. The reason you should pay close attention to this here now in 2023 is because this Section 179 tax change is set to expire in 2025 and could change as early as next year in 2024. Because of this expiration, building owners like you should consider front-loading improvements now during 2023 and investing in your property assets for things like commercial re-roofs and or other related capital improvements to take advantage of the Section 179 tax deduction. So click below and fill out the form to get your Section 179 commercial roof proposal. If desired, we can also provide you with a complimentary roof and property inspection as well as a commercial roof repair or replacement estimate. We'll then incorporate your estimate into a custom branded Section 179 digital proposal, which automates with the IRS tax calculator, showing you how to best maximize this deduction based on your situation. Guys, remember, the reason you need to act now this year in 2023 is because the Section 179 tax deduction is set to expire in 2025 and could change as early as 2024. Building owners need to act now to front load those improvements in 2023, get the tax benefit, and invest in their property assets for things like commercial roofs or other related capital improvements. So click below and fill out the form to get your Section 179 commercial roof proposal.